Heyo, Mr. Monday here. In this tutorial for 4Story the original, we'll be going over how to enchant your gear. First off, we need to go buy some enchant scrolls from the supply merchant. Buy a couple since you could fail a few times. Now open the enchant menu and add in the blank weapon you want to enchant as well as the enchant scroll that we just bought. You can add a book of enchantment to increase the odds in success, but I wouldn't do it when starting out unless you have the moolah. Click enchant and damn, didn't get that one. Thankfully it didn't disappear. Let's try it again. And boom, your first enchanted weapon. This will help you so much during your time playing 4Story. So thanks for watching, and if you have any questions or want me to make videos on anything specific, let me know. Mr. Monday signing off. See ya!